In this tutorial, I'm going to be covering the email campaign section. And from this section, once you log in and you click on the sidebar menu here and you click on email campaigns, what's going to happen is it's going to redirect you to a section that allows you to send your emails. It allows you to set up your templates. It allows you quite a few different features here. So when you first go to this section, you're going to have an email login, and you're going to have to actually log in with your email and password to set it up, okay? So I'm just going to close this just to give you a little tour. And what's going to happen is under the mass email section here, this is where you're able to compose a mass email and choose your filters and everything here, clients, leads, etc. And to your you'll have all the emails here. You can add your subject line, you can add your content, and there's a toolbar here for editing as well, and then you can click send, right? You also have an option to schedule emails as well. And when you schedule emails, they'll show up under this tab where you have scheduled emails and as well as confirmation emails. Any emails that were sent are going to be under your sent folder. So you click under the sent folder. There's nothing showing here right now, but it's going to show you a list here. And as well as that, you're going to be able to create email templates, and all your templates will be stored here under My Templates. You'll also have scheduled email section where you can actually show all the emails that you have scheduled ahead of time. And the final section is the confirmation email. So this is for if you're booking appointments, you're booking, any type of class attendance or anything like that. Like maybe you pre-booked some people here to come into your studio or into your clinic. This is a great section for appointments, right? Okay, so again, mass emails is the beginning, and all the rest is a little bit more advanced use. If you want any help with this, please do reach out to support@gigaprofitshq.com or visit the support site at gigaprofitshq.com, and we'd be happy to help you. Okay, good luck with your email campaigns. They are very important, so please do take the time to set them up.